healthcare directive is a type of power of attorney granted to your loved ones in case you're in the hospital and you can't make decisions for yourself. You need to have somebody who has written authority to speak to the doctors and speak to the hospital on your behalf. It's not impossible, but it's difficult without one. You don't want to have confusion at a hospital when you're in the emergency room or something like that. A healthcare directive is sometimes called an advanced healthcare directive, an advanced medical directive. It's sometimes called a living will. You have to be careful with that term living will because it's not really a will. A will goes into effect when you die. So they call it a living will, which makes sense, but it's technically not what one is. An advanced medical directive does have in it the procedures and the thresholds of how much care to give you in case you are severely injured. And that's something that you want to have done ahead of time. You don't want to have people guessing. Hospitals and doctors want you to have one because when they have that in the record, then it's a lot easier for them. They're not as worried that they're going to get sued if you have those instructions in front of them. So it's very good to have a healthcare directive, and it's something that ought to be done. It ought to be done even if you're young and healthy and completely optimistic about the future.